pride ourselves on is making a plethora of these parts in-house in the United States. We also try to source everything we can in the United States, from our leather to our suspension components, our axles. Sourcing from vendors that are located in the United States was really important to us. That's why we chose Video Brochure Direct. This was actually the design of my videographer, Evan. He's like, this is what I can do is I can put these things at the bottom, and then we can do separate videos for each one, and then we can have a skip forward button.
Clearly, which is highlighted as you skip forward. And it changes to each one, and then it'll re-highlight at the bottom where you're at, and it just starts.
Do you recommend Video Brochures Direct?
100%. It was smooth, seamless, and the content and quality far surpasses any of our expectations.